this is part 2 of cutting up of the pattern bars. So I showed you just a minute ago how I was cutting them. I've got them soaking here in a little tub of water straight from the tile saw. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them on a diamond hand pad. This happens to be 120. Don't want it any finer than that. Give it a rub on that side. Give it a rub on that side. And then I would normally do this in my left hand, but my left hand's holding the camera. We're just going to use one of these Scotch-Brites. And we're going to polish that side up. And we're going to polish that side up. We're going to give it a dip in some fresh water here. And then we're going to match up our design. I happen to be using this green dot to remind me, put the green dot over here. Also the orange and brown squiggle over here. Just make sure you always line them up just exactly as they come out of the water. Always take from the left. Give it a little scrub on that side. Little scrub on that side. And give it a little polish with the Scotch-Brite. What we're doing here is we're doing our best to prevent the vitrification that can be caused by debris, fine glass debris that's left on the glass after cutting it. Once in a while you run across one that has a burr on it that you didn't get off the tile saw. Just give it some extra attention, just give it a rub. And then we just give this a little polish. Polish on that side. Rinse and stack. And go on to our next one. And that's it.